Hi, good evening. Elida guy from London. Our vlog is about Pizza Express, which I think one of the best pizza here in London. So we ordered Dobos, which is a Pizza Express classic with garlic butter, La Cubana pizza, a zesty marinated slow-cooked pulled pork with garlic, herbs, and hint of chipotle chili, tomato, mozzarella cheese. We also had pasta, pomagi and pancetta, penne with bechamel sauce, mozzarella cheddar cheese, and garlic, Justin's kids meal, bolognese dipped in tomato sauce, and dessert is piccolo sundae, which one scoop of vanilla gelato with chocolate and a baby cone. Our bill is 50 pounds, 3,500 pesos. So enjoy the vlog. See you! Hi, this is Agita guy from London. Hope you're having a good time. This is Super Justin. We're here in Pizza Express. Wait for a while. The Dobos are here. So let's taste. Here's our food, the pizza, tomato, cheese, and some pork. Japanese bolognese. Yeah.
Formaggi.
Nice. Hot, soury. Nice. I think one of the best. Let's taste this formaggini pasta.
Sana all.
Nice. Pizza La Cubana with chipotle, cheese, pulled pork, like you're in Cuba. Very nice. Let's taste bolognese.
Sana all.
Sour tomatoes there. Now let's taste the sundae. Nice. Yeah, we came to the end of our vlog and we just finished eating pizza in Pizza Express. So thank you for watching the vlog and see you in our next vlog. Bye.